Hello my lovely audience. Today expression is mixed fraction. First we simplify here, means 3 times 2 gives us 6, then 4 gives us 10 over 2, then times 2 times 4 gives us 8, and plus 2 gives us 10 over 4, plus 1 over 6 divide 2 over 3. Now in this situation we apply a rule which is called PEMDAS, PEMDAS, where P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. In this expression there is only 3 symbols: multiplication, addition, and division. So first we do multiplication and division, because multiplication and division always work from left to right. Same rule applies addition and subtraction. So here first sign is multiplication, after that division. So first multiplication. Now instead of this expression we write here application: 10 over 2 times 10 over 4 plus 1 upon 6 divide 2 upon 3. Now 2 and 10 cancels to each other, 1 and here is 5, 4 also cancel to each other, 2 and 5. Now 5 times 5 gives us 25 upon 2 times 1 gives us 2, plus 1 upon 6 divide 2 upon 3. In this expression addition and division symbols. So according to PEMDAS rules, divisions have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So first division solve. Now we write equations again: 25 over 2 plus 1 upon 6. Here we rule applies which is called KCF. It means according to KCF, K stands for keep remain same, means first fraction remains same. Then C for change, means division convert into multiplication, and now F means fraction. Here numerator and denominator change position to each other. So we write here 3 over 2. Now 3 and 6 cancels to each other is 1, and here is 2. 2 and 1 not cancels to each other. So we write here equations: 25 over 2 plus 1 times 1 gives us 1 upon 2 plus 2 times 2 gives us 4. Now 25 over 2 plus 1 upon 4. Here two denominator 2 and 4 are different, so we cannot do addition process because denominators are changed. So now here we find LCM. Here 2 and 4 we find LCM. 2 times 1 here and 2 divided by 2, 4. So now here also again 2. It means 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 is a common, it means LCM is 4. LCM is 4. Now 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Here you can see 4 divided by 2, 4 is 0, means 2 times 25. When we multiply, the exact figure is 50, plus 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and 1 times 1 gives us 1. Now 50 plus 1 gives us 51 upon 4. 51 over 4 change into mixed fraction. How? 51 divided by 4. 1 divided by here 1 is 1, also here 1 and 2, and there is 8 gives us 3, then time 3 0, and here 7. It means exact number is 12.7. So here 12 3 upon 4.